continue with the problems. Fourth problem of this particular concept: design of welded connection. Design a joint of an angle section ISA 90 by 90 by 8 of Fe 410 grade when welded to a 8 mm gusset plate on all three sides as shown in figure. So this is 90 by 90 by 8 mm angle, and this is 8 mm gusset plate, and this is the welding we have. All the three sides it is welded. So let us call L1, L2, L3 as the effective length of weld as shown in the following figure. So this is L1, this side the length of the weld be L2, and this side length of weld be L3. This is the gusset plate, and this is angle section we have here. So we can also find the uh, side view here. In the side view you can see the gusset plate here, and this is the angle 90 by 90 by 8 equal angle it is. So from the steel table you can find the CG distance of this angle section, that is CZZ equal to 25.1 mm. So in this particular problem the design load is not given. So whatever the strength of the plate or strength of the member, for strength of the member we have to do the design. So from the steel table you can get the value of AG equal to 1379 mm square, and CZZ we have already discussed 25.1 mm, and thickness is 8 mm. So let us find out the capacity of the member, tension capacity of the member. We know the formula TDG equal to AGFY divided by gamma m naught. 1379 into 250 by 1.1 gives you 313.41 kilonewton. Similarly, now my aim is to find out the size of the weld. So for rounded edge, usually angle section will have a rounded edge. So especially for rounded edge, the size of the weld should not exceed 3/4 of the thickness. So 3/4 into 8 mm, that is 6 mm. However, maximum size of the weld is total thickness minus 1.5 mm. This is standard, so it works out to be 6.5 mm. Therefore, you provide size of the weld equal to 6 mm. So 6 mm is the size of the weld we have provided. Now let us calculate effective throat thickness. Effective throat thickness TT equal to 0.7 into 6, that is 4.2 mm. Therefore, let us find out design strength of the weld PWD equal to LW into TT into FU divided by root 3 into gamma MW. Let us assume shop weld, therefore gamma MW equal to 1.25. For field weld, 1 gamma MW equal to 1.5. So upon substitution, LW is the unknown and PWD is also the unknown. So we get PWD equal to 795.35 into LW. So now we will equate the strength of the weld to the strength of the member. So upon equating we get effective length of the weld equal to 394 mm. However, we know the 394 mm is to be distributed as L1, L2 and L3, and L2 is equal to 90 mm, that is understood. L2 is equal to 90 mm, so this L2 is equal to 90 mm. So this is given actually along with the size of the member itself. Now let us try to find out the values of L1 and L3. Initially we will be finding L3, later at the end we will be finding L1. So here, to find out L1 and L3, let us take moment about section 1 1. So where do we have section 1? Section 1 1 is here, 1 1. Section 1 1 is here. So when I take moment about section 1 1, I have three forces there: P1, P2, P3 and P. So P is acting at the CG. So P into 25.1, which is equal to P1 into 0 plus P2 into 90 by 2, that is 45, plus P3 into 90. Again, once again you can see the forces here: P1 into 0, P2 into 45, P3 into 90, P into 25.1. P should be acting at the CG. So here what is the value of P2 and P3? P2 equal to L2 into TT into Fu divided by root 3 into gamma mw. So the product of Fu tt root 3 and gamma mw is 795.31 into L2. Similarly, P3 is equal to 795.35 into L3. So upon substitution, we get L3 equal to 64.89 millimeter and L1 equal to 239.11 millimeter. Therefore, let us provide L1 equal to 240 mm, L2 equal to 90 mm and L3 equal to 65 mm. That's all. One more problem let us see of similar type, but the change is that you have an unequal angle section here. So a 150 by 115 by 10 mm angle section is to be connected to a 10 mm thick gusset plate as shown in the figure, and it is to be done at the site. So design the fillet weld to carry a load equal to the strength of the member. Use IS 800 2007. Fillet weld are to be provided on all the sides of the angle. So let us assume always whenever you get an unequal angle section, you assume the longer edge is always connected to the plate. So here you can see the red color, that is the fillet weld. So L1, L2, L3 similar to the problem we have shown here also. So first of all, from the steel table you get the value of AG and CZZ. I have obtained them. Now you calculate tension capacity of the member. TDG equal to AGFY by gamma m naught. Upon substitution we get 580 kilonewton. So as shown in the figure, welding is done on all the three sides. Let L1, L2, L3 be the effective length of the weld. So first let us calculate size of the weld, 3/4 of thickness, that is 3/4 into 10, 7.5. Maximum size of the weld, T minus 1.5 works out to be 8.5. So let us provide S equal to 7 mm. You can provide 7.5 also, no issue, but a round figure let us take 7 mm. Now we calculate effective throat thickness. Effective throat thickness equal to 0.7 into S works out to be 4.9 mm. So let us calculate the strength of the weld depending on gamma mw equal to 1.5, because they have told that it is to be site weld. So pwd equal to lw into tt into fu divided by root 3 into gamma mw. Upon substitution we get pwd equal to 773.264 lw newtons. Now you can calculate the lw, that is the length of the weld, by equating strength of the weld to the strength of the member. So here 773.264 Lw equal to 58 into 10 raised to 3 gives you 750 as the length of the weld. Therefore, you calculate this L3 by taking moment about 1 1. Similar to the previous problem, we are going to take the moment here about 1 1. That is P into 45.5 equal to P1 into 0 plus P2 into 75, that is 150 by 2, and P3 into 150. So what are the values of P2 and P3? They are very simple. P2 equal to L2 into TT into FU divided by root 3 into gamma MW works out to be 773.264 L2, and P3 equal to 773.264 L3, and P is equal to TDG itself, 580 into 10 raised to 3. So upon substitution we get L3 equal to 152.52 mm. So we can calculate L1 also. L1 equal to 447.55 mm. So let us provide L1 equal to 450, a round figure, L2 equal to 150 mm, again a round figure, and L3 equal to 155 mm. So this is how we are going to distribute, or this is how we are going to provide the length of the weld, especially for angle section which are connected to a cassette plate. Very simple problem. In the coming video lectures we will take a few more problems. Hopefully in 2 or 3 upcoming video lectures we will solve the problems and we will finish off the module. Thank you.